It's so delicious.
Today I will be having an egg. I'm gonna turn on the stove, and so I can make some eggs today. I got this avocado, spinach, and however I'm gonna use this burger pan for my sandwich. I don't know how to cook the eggs, guys. Sometimes I burn it. You can see that, but it's good. And about my eggs, it's gonna be like cook really well. Just run it over here. Oh, this is so delicious. Just try this, guys. Look, it's dulce de leche. Now I found some of my favorite again. I was thinking I'm gonna add some. Oatmeal. Look at that, guys. It's really delicious. I'm gonna add some avocado on my oatmeal. Look at that, guys. It's really delicious. This one, guys, the dulce de leche caramel. First time that I have it, so it's really, really delicious. And this one, and this kind of oatmeal. You can bring it to your work, to your office, or anywhere, camping. Oh, all the flavor inside, all the way in the bottom. All the way on the bottom. Look. I can stir it herb.